Hey Divi Nation, welcome to this next installment of our ongoing Divi design initiative, where each week we give away a brand new free Divi layout pack straight from our design team to you. And this week we have for you a new electrical services layout pack, which will help you get a new website up and running in just a few clicks. We think you'll love it. Let's go ahead and check it out. This electrical services layout pack has all you need to get your electrical service website up and running in no time. The pack includes 7 pre-made layouts, which are strategically designed for any electrical website or company. It even includes a dedicated services page and an individual service page, which will definitely come in handy. Plus, it includes original royalty-free photos and graphics that you can use without restrictions. And this layout is available right now inside Divi as a part of our growing library of over 250 free layout packs, which you'll definitely want to check out as well. All right, now join me in this next part of the video where I give you a few tips on how to get started using this layout pack on your own website. All right, so before you can start using the pre-made layout on your website, you must make sure and authenticate your Elegant Themes subscription. So to do that, go over to Divi, Theme Options. There, click the Updates tab. There you can enter your username and API key and save those changes. And after that, you will have access to all of our pre-made layouts without any problems. And to upload a layout pack to a page is really simple. All you need to do is go over to Pages, Add New, give your page a title. We'll start with the home page, and then click to use the Divi Builder. Then select the option, choose a pre-made layout. This will bring up the Load from Library pop-up, where you can go ahead and scroll and find or use our search features here or filters to find the electrical services layout pack and select it. You'll see a preview on the right of all the different layouts included in the pack. Find the one that you want and then simply click Use this layout. Once the layout has been loaded to the page, you can use the Divi Builder to make any edits that you like on the front end. And when you're ready, go ahead and save or publish your page. And you'll want to continue this same process to create all of the different pages needed for your website and then add those corresponding pre-made layouts to those pages as well. And for a more detailed explanation of how to use a pre-made layout pack on your Divi website, check the video description below for a link to this blog post, which goes into greater detail with some helpful tips on how to get your website up and running in just a few minutes, including tips on how to use the layout pack image assets and additional steps for new websites like creating menus and adding a static homepage for your website. All right, that's it for this video. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Give us a thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and like us on Facebook. And make sure to get those notifications so that we can let you know every single time we have something new for you. Thanks again for watching. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.